coin-based solar mobile charger. So this is the switch here. This is the power supply switch. If you press, this is the sliding switch. So this is a sliding switch. Okay. So if this switch is on, then the display will be show all the information over here. This is our solar panel. So here we can connect the solar panel. In this way. So green, green is ground, is connected to the lag, and in this way, and you can see this LED will be glow over here. So now, so this is the connector. We can connect the mobiles over here. We can connect any mobiles here. Okay, and now we will enter the coins over here. So mobile is charging. LCD displays also show the mobile is charging, and here you can see the mobile is also charging over here. So I will repeat over here. So now here you can see